Bhaiya, another query. Can we change our destiny?
Oh, uh, you sure can. There is no doubt about
Because this is what I have learned again from you. I can clearly say it. I have learned it from you that some destinies we have to make, we
it.
have
Okay.
to create.
If you permit me to give you a small example, can I share it?
Please, 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 Bhaiya.
Okay. I'm a businessman.
Ji.
Okay. I'm not an astrologer. I'm talking about myself. I'm a businessman. And for the expansion of my business, I take a loan from the bank.
Ji.
And due to certain circumstances, in my control or not in my control, I am not able to pay.
Ji.
The bank comes, attaches my property, but still I need to pay more. I cannot pay. I have to take the recluse of the court. The court decides that I have to go to jail for 3 months. Either I pay or I don't pay. After coming back from the jail, after coming back from the prison, am I allowed to start my life again? I go back to people that, look, I did my mistake. I have given the debt to the society. I have paid whatever I could not pay, but I am back again. I want to stand up again, start my business. And in spite of the prison, I want to pay whatever I owe you. I start my business again. I learn from my mistakes. I do not repeat the mistakes. And this time I'm a successful businessman. I go to the people that, look, I have gone through my prison sentence also, but still, on a human level, I owe you money.
Ji.
Now I've made enough money that I can pay you back. And I'm paying you back. The same thing happens in terms of karmas. We all need to understand this much, that we are not understanding what debts we have, and there is nobody to show us how to repay those debts. There are people to show us that wear this ring, do this puja,
Ji.
spend so much of money, do this, but nobody is there to guide us that this is what you did, Mr. Gitanshu Malhotra, and this is what you need to pay your debt through, not through the ring, but through this method. You tell me now, isn't everybody who understands his debts and are able to repay them has got a chance to start again with stronger planets? Isn't he or she getting a chance once the karmas are taken care of, even partly? Because there is a chance of payroll also at times.
Ji.
Because of your good conduct, you can go outside, and the rest of the sentence you can is not pardoned, but the authorities are keeping a good eye on you, and you can repay your sentence not inside the prison but outside the prison also.
Yeah, totally makes sense.
See, the same way Mother Nature works, that if Prakriti Mahadevi or Mother Nature sees that you are in the right framework of mind and the debts you are starting to understand that you are repaying, instead of swimming across the current, you have accepted the fact that this is to be paid. This bad marriage needs to be worked upon. Leaving is easy. Running away with somebody else's money is easy. But giving back what they deserve is more difficult. The moment you understand you are on payroll, once this payroll starts, then your chart changes altogether.
Ji.
then whatever you start doing gives you not better results, humongous results, bigger results than you expected. Suddenly, you start shining. Suddenly, everything starts getting better for you. Suddenly, people look up to you. Suddenly, you've changed. Suddenly, people forget your past. Suddenly, everything changes for you. We have numerous examples of people who have been through very rough circumstances but have come out strong.
Strongly.
I gave you the example of a businessman where he was put behind bars, but he came back. And the same people who put him behind bars helped him actually gain. I know this person. And I know so many of them like this. They've given a second chance in this society to come up, to bounce back more stronger. Do you think God is so shallow that he will not give his child, let's say, 100 more chances?
Yeah, absolutely. Bhaiya.
This
So-
is how
so
we
that-
change destiny.
So that
This
also
is how
tells
we
me.
change.
Yeah.
Sorry?
I was saying, so that also tells me there is a free will.
There is always a free will. And this free will is what is respected by God, which is respected by Prakriti. That you have a will, that I have so much money and I can run away with this money, but you do not. This is free will.
Yeah.
You did a mistake. You understand that. You come back. You learn from your mistakes. You try till you succeed. I told you, no. The mantra is try till you succeed. This is the journey of the soul. We can change our destiny. Every human being can become what he or she desires to become.
So if I'm
There
doing
is no
certain
limit.
profession, yeah.
There is no limit. There is no limit. What is the limit? Is sky the limit? No, sky is also not the limit.
So if I'm doing certain profession and if I want to become a cricketer, I can still become.
You can excel. You can excel. Why cannot you? It's just that you have to put in more effort than normal people. Why could we produce only one Sachin Tendulkar? Because the passion started at the age of 13, 12, 10, 8. It got up at the age of 16. And the dedication was so high that you lived, breathed, ate cricket only, nothing else.
Cricket only.
So the soul came at an early age, did his rightful thing at the early age, withdrew itself at the early age, done everything, all the records set up in the record time. And folded hands, you retire quickly. These are true souls. So anybody can change their destiny, anybody on this earth. I do not believe in astrology. It is what I say, and I firmly believe in that. I personally do not believe in astrology because to me, Vedic astrology is the best tool for my guidance. It can tell me about my past, but it cannot tell me accurately about my future because my future is still to be written, and my karmas today can change my future tomorrow.
Thank you. Thank you, Bhaiya. Thank you.